Wednesday, the 23rd of May 2018, 18:03 Washington, Alliance News. Stocks have climbed off their worst levels of the session, but remain mostly negative in midday trading on Wednesday. With the drop on the day, the major averages are adding to the losses posted in the previous session. The Nasdaq briefly turned positive in recent trading but is currently down 1.80 points or less than 0.1% at 7,376.65. The Dow is down 104.23 points or 0.4% at 24,730.18 and the S. Home improvement retailer Lowe's also reported weaker than expected first quarter results but provided upbeat guidance. Traders also continue to react to comments from President Donald Trump downplaying expectations for a trade deal with China. Our trade deal with China is moving along nicely, but in the end we will probably have to use a different structure and that this will be too hard to get done and to verify results after completion, Trump said in a post on Twitter. The tweet from Trump came after he indicated he was not satisfied with the talks between U.S. and Chinese officials in remarks on Tuesday. "I'm not satisfied, but we'll see what happens. We have a long way to go. But I wanted to go fairly quickly," Trump said during a press conference with South Korean President Moon Jae-in. He added, "You know, we are talking about billions of dollars a week that we suffer, we lose. And so we are looking to go quickly." On the U.S. economic front, the Commerce Department released a report showing a pullback in new home sales in the month of April. The report said new home sales fell by 1.5% to an annual rate of 662,000 in April after jumping by 2% to a revised rate of 672,000 in March. Economists had expected new home sales to drop to a rate of 679,000 from the 694,000 originally reported for the previous month. Overall trading activity has remained somewhat subdued, however, as traders look ahead to the release of the minutes of the Federal Reserve's latest monetary policy meeting this afternoon. The minutes may shed additional light on the outlook for interest rates. Sector news: steel stocks are turning in some of the market's worst performances in midday trading, with the NYSE ACA Steel Index slumping by 2%. The index continues to give background after reaching its best closing level in well over 2 months last Wednesday. Considerable weakness also remains visible among energy stocks, which are moving lower along with the price of crude oil. Crude for July delivery is sliding 55 United States cents to 71 United States dollars and 65 cents a barrel. The decrease by the price of crude oil comes after a report from the Energy Information Administration unexpectedly showed crude oil inventories jumped by 5.8 million barrels in the week ended May 18. Banking, telecom, and chemical stocks have also moved to the downside on the day, while strength has emerged among gold, real estate, and tobacco stocks. Other markets and overseas trading, stock markets across the Asia-Pacific region moved mostly lower during trading on Wednesday. Japan's Nikkei 225 index tumbled by 1.2%, while Hong Kong's Hang Seng index plunged by 1.8%. The major European markets also showed significant moves to the downside on the day. While the UK's FTSE 100 index slumped by 1.1%, the French CAC 40 index and the German DAX index plummeted by 1.3% and 1.5%, respectively. In the bond market, treasuries have moved notably higher after closing roughly flat for 2 straight days. As a result, the yield on the benchmark 10-year note, which moves opposite of its price, is down by 4.8 basis points at 3.017%. Copyright RTT News, DPAAFX.